The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Polk County in central Iowa, southeastern Dallas County in central Iowa, northwestern Warren County in south central Iowa, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Urbandale, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Des Moines, West Des Moines, Ankeny, Urbandale, Johnston, Clive, Algena, Waukee, Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Grimes, Windsor Heights, Lorville, South Ridge Mall, Jordan Creek Town Center, Merle Mall, Iowa Events Center, Iowa State Fairgrounds, Principal Park, and Des Moines International Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 64 and 72, and between mile markers 87 and 89. Interstate 80 between mile markers 117 and 140. Interstate 235 between mile markers 1 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Dallas, Polk, and Warren.
Oh, doubleheader. Finally.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a flash flood warning for Polk County in central Iowa, western Jasper County in central Iowa, southeastern Dallas County in central Iowa, until 11 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Des Moines, West Des Moines, Ankeny, Urbandale, Johnston, Clive, Newton, Algena, Waukee, Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Grimes, Windsor Heights, Carlisle, Bondurant, Polk City, Lorville, Mitchellville, Colfax, and Monroe. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 67 and 72, and between mile markers 87 and 101. Interstate 80 between mile markers 112 and 165. Interstate 235 between mile markers 1 and 14. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Des Moines